the famous salmon recipe that's taking the world by storm. I'll start by making shallow diagonal cuts in 1 kilogram of salmon. Once that's done, I'm going to roll it up like this. Then I'll place it over some kitchen twine, already set here. I'll place a spoon on top of the salmon and tie the twine like this. Now I'll trim the ends. That way we can place it straight into a pot with boiling water. And let it cook for about 1 minute. I can take it out now. Now I'll remove the twine and the spoon. I'll open up the salmon and remove the skin. Now I'll cut it into pieces. Let's season it with half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and spread well. In a pan, I'll add 1 tablespoon of butter, spreading it until melted. Once that's done, we can add the salmon. Tell me how you cook salmon at home. I'd love to know your recipe. Let it fry for 5 minutes. After that, flip it to cook the other side. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching us from, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Sophie Anderson from Toronto. I'm so glad you're enjoying our recipes. Now we can take it out of the pan. Add 1 sliced onion, 2 grated garlic cloves, 100 grams of champignons mushrooms, and stir, letting it sauté. Season with half a teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 red bell pepper sliced into strips and stir. Now add 50 grams of spinach, half a cup of water, and mix. At this point, add half a cup of heavy cream and stir. Finally, place 6 slices of lemon on top of the sauce. Add the salmon back to the pan. Cover and let it cook for 5 minutes. Make salmon like this at home and come back to tell me what you thought. I'm sure you'll love the result. Salmon cooked this way turns out flawless.